Jonty. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
It's your father's grandfather, Simon Stern.
That's right, yes it is.
Right, he was probably born in Poland.
Yes.
And so came to this country. So, Jonty, in the 1891 census, he's placed as living in Woodford, Essex. And it shows that he was married to Sarah Stiglitz,
Right.
your great-grandmother. There is a further census of 1911, and in that census, Simon is missing. The reason why Simon doesn't appear is because he left the UK aboard a ship called the SS St. Louis.
You've got the actual name of the ship?
SS St. Louis.
SS St. Louis.
Which is bound for New York. This is the passenger list. Your great-grandfather's name is on it. He arrived on the 4th of June. This is a petition for naturalization from New Jersey. In those naturalization papers, he had changed his name to George Simon Stern. And on the 7th of January, 1914, he married Ruby Weinstein in Newark, New Jersey. These are a copy of her naturalization papers, clearly stating that she was born in Poland, not far.
Oh. Not far from where he came from. Goodness, that's just incredible.
She came to New York less than a year after Simon. How do you feel about that?
I must say I'm liking him less as the proceedings are going on.
He did visit this country on the 18th of September 1932. This is a copy of the passenger list. See his age there, 63.
So it's not very long before he passed away?
Not very long. But the community had already sat Shiva for him.
They had. That must have been very weird for everybody.
Everybody had said that he was now dead.
Maybe he didn't care about things like that. Who knows what was going on through his mind?
If you found his gravestone, would you lay a flower there?
Yes.
Would you sat Shiva for him again?
Probably. You can't really blame people in the past for living in a world that's so different from ours.
I hope that what we've talked about has helped to provide closure.
Absolutely. I'm terribly grateful. It's absolutely amazing.